If there was one piece of advice that you could give someone getting into the service and or parts industry, with your background and your experience, what would what would that advice be?
That's a heavy one. I've never really completely thought about it. I mean, I understand where you're coming from with the old school way of thinking, where you got into the kind of smelly parts department where you got an old guy with glasses on his nose, licking his fingers, going to book parts, right? And you're like, well, I can get it to you in a week, and he stamps his finger on the book, and it's like, okay. I think that the biggest thing is just understand that it's kind of all out there.
Yeah.
We can, the information is out there. You can get that information and use it. And it doesn't really have to be, you don't have to always go to the dealer. You don't always have to go OEM. Mm-hmm. A lot of the time the stuff that you get aftermarket actually is the OEM. It's just branded differently,
mm-hmm.
And just kind of use the open mind, open thought of just like the big picture of stuff. You can't just think, oh, this is the only part in the world. It's not. I mean, you got to think, there's about 2 billion Corollas everywhere. You should be able to find a Corolla part.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah, I think that's great. And I mean, consumers are, getting smarter. They're not naive. I mean, I feel like consumers used to be more naive in the past. So it's adapt or die. And you just, we can't just assume that consumers are going to just not do a Google search or YouTube or whatnot, to figure out.
They may not know about cars, but they sure do know how to find the stuff.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? You're not going to pull the wool over anybody's eyes saying, oh, well, this is it. This is what it costs, because they will go on Amazon and say, oh, it actually costs like this. And so, being transparent, just like YourMechanic is striving to be and is every day, and telling people this is this is what we have up front. This is what we can find. Here are options. That goes far away for a lot of customers. Most people will be willing to spend a few bucks more for convenience. And, it's like, yeah, I know you can get it for X. And you're like, but this is why. You can have it in a couple of days and not have to worry about it, not have to worry about waiting for shipping or having your uncle with the cool set of tools, putting the stuff in your car, and you don't know if it's going to work right,
Right. Oh no, we're all about convenience. I mean, I'm all about paying an extra $5 fee for Uber Eats to deliver food to my house every once in a while.
Convenience and